right. Hi. So, we're going to do something that I've been wanting to do for like, let's say 4 to 6 months. Not go to the grocery store, but go to the grocery store every day is a goal. Starting today. Get the things I need. Brian and I are on a mission to lose some weight. And here's what we're doing. You'll notice that Brian is not here. He stealthily got out of this task. But he is on a walk, which is awesome. And I stealthily got out of a walk by saying, I will go to the grocery store and figure out how to use this thing that we're going to talk about today, which is called a sous vide. But I've had it for like 4 to 6 months. I've never used it once. And I got out of my walk in order to do this. So at least I'm doing something. Because our goal is to eat a lot of meat and try to cut out any processed foods. So we have some chicken, pre-cut, trimmed chicken breast, blueberries and raspberries, and some cucumbers. Again, I couldn't help it, but I got just a little snack for later for being good. Okay, so let's see if this thing is as easy as it says it is, and from what I've been told by a customer and by one of my friends, then we're gonna find out, and we'll see. I'm not skeptical. I'm enthusiastic. So we'll see. We're gonna figure this out together here. So I have an instruction guide. I have a Tupperware cook bin that has a hole in it, which is where the sous vide is going to fit into the hole. And it will heat the water and supposedly cook this chicken perfectly without me having to do anything besides get, I guess, the temperature right. So, all right, so here's my quick guide. It's been on the fridge right there in front of my face, for 4 to 6 months. All right, so you can see they give you a handy dandy steps 1 through 6 right here. And I guess I should find out if I should wash it first. Let's see. All right. Safety. Okay. Says nothing about washing it, which is probably makes sense because this thing isn't going to actually touch any food. So step 1, plug device into nearby outlet, scroll to desired temperature dialing. So I guess there's somewhere it's going to tell me how much I should put this to cook chicken. Yep, cooking guide. All right. Poultry, light meat. So we're going to do 150 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 to 3 hours. So I've been told you can't overcook it. So that's great. Oh, interesting. Dark meat is 45 minutes to 5 hours. Okay. So 1 to 3 hours, 150 degrees. And I'm pretty sure my food needs to be in a Ziploc bag, which I happen to have, which I bought these 4 to 6 months ago for this purpose. So this is very exciting. We have all the tools we need for success. Doesn't matter if it takes you a little bit of time to do it, as long as it gets done. We're going to do this thing. Okay. And we're making a joke because we've got 28 days to lose some weight. It's kind of the goal we put on ourselves. And I kind of woke up, we talked about this yesterday, and then I woke up today after having a dream that, you know, not only can we do anything for 28 days, what's it going to kill us? But I also thought it would be funny to do a play on like 28 days later, you know, zombies. Yeah, we could tie it in, have some fun. Okay, so that'll be funny. Maybe that'll be my next video. Okay, so, so I guess this thing gets filled with water. Doesn't say how much water. Let's see. Fill the pot or container with water. Do not place the pot on the fire or stove. It doesn't say how much to fill it with. So I figure I'll fill it up maybe to like, I guess I'll do like maybe 9 quarts or something. Okay, so we'll do that. I should wash my hands really quick. Again. And then I will get this chicken into the bag. That's a little trick I saw on YouTube. I've been doing my homework. Okay, so there's 1 and 2. Come here, you. All right. Okay. Yeah, we're supposed to remove as much air as possible from these babies. We're gonna get all that air out. Okay, get it all out of there. Alright, that seems pretty good. Alright, let's wash this down. This is a big ass tub of water. And let's put this over here for a second. Just want to get this down just in case. Okay. All right. This is my mom and me saying, I can hear her, Melissa, that chicken is got to be, everything has to be very clean. She is a healthy food certified. Been working in a kitchen for a long time, so she knows the rules. All right. Plus, she's just a very clean person, and I love it. Okay, so I actually plug this thing in first, go to the temperature, and start it. And then once the preheating is complete, that's when I actually start the process here. All right, so here we go. It just looks like a big ass curling iron. It's really weird. So I guess this is gonna warm the water, kind of gonna circulate through these little holes, I guess, and like kind of like a jacuzzi. I guess it's gonna like warm the water and heat it up to whatever temperature I've set it to, which I think is gonna be 150 degrees. And you know, I wonder what I'm supposed to have this sitting on. I have it sitting on like a mat. Let's see. Nope. Oh, min and max lines are on here. Oh. That's gonna be just above the max, so I gotta dump some of this out. Perfect. Okay. There's even a clip there. Boom. So I guess I didn't even need this lid. I had to buy this separately too. All right, snapped, snapped. So I can see it. All right, there we go. Get this baby plugged in. All right. Ooh. All right. Check it. Okay, so this says 71 degrees. Scroll to desired temperature. So I'm setting it to 150, which is what our little chart said. Light meat, 150. And then press the start stop button to initiate. Ooh. See, it's like a jacuzzi. Check it out. Okay. That's pretty cool. Okay, so when the preheat is complete, hold down the start stop button for 3 seconds. Countdown will begin. Then we set the time, and then we add the food in. Not too shabby. All right, I'm gonna put this chicken in the fridge. I don't know how long this is gonna take. It's at 74. that's right. I need some kind of clamps for the chicken. I forgot about that part. Oh, that's what this is gonna, that's why I got this. Now I remember. So when we put the chicken in, I'm gonna be able to slap the Ziploc bag over this and then click it on. So then I don't have to use a bunch of these things. Thanks to my friend for the advice. All right. All right. Cool. So we'll see. Once this heats up to 150, I'm gonna put my bags in. I'm gonna flip it over, clamp it on here so that they just, you know, sit in the water, I guess. And then I'll set the timer to maybe 2 hours just to make sure. Maybe I'll let it go for 3, I don't know. It's like 9 o'clock at night right now. And then we'll see what happens. Thank you.